the mic, you can listen. So now you can listen to my voice, right? If it is clear, then it is doing a good job, correct? Because I am in the traffic, so if you can listen to my voice clearly, then the mic is doing its job very well, right? As I am driving my bicycle, there is no lot of airflow, but if you are going on a bike or car, I guess the airflow may disturb your voice. So this is how the noise cancellation is. So you can see how I am shaking my head, so the earbuds does not fall. Those are perfectly fit. So guys, so Crossbeat's torque is good for its price, but only the defect which I can raise is the connection is not as fast as I have observed in OnePlus Buds. Okay, I have used OnePlus Buds which cost 5,000 rupees, and the connection, the way it does is very accurately fast, which I could not adapt with this Crossbeat's torque. So I did not satisfy with that, and I have faced some connection issues which made me frustrated. So connection wise, Crossbeat's torque is very poor. Connection wise, OnePlus Buds are the best in the market, and noise cancellation wise, you can easily tell that Crossbeat's torque did a great job. OnePlus Buds fit is good, not the best, because it does not have the grip which it has, right? So it is okay, not that good. Coming to Crossbeat's torque, it has the grip to hold in the air, so that when you move your head also, it does not fall. So I can confirm you, Crossbeat's torque fit is very good. And coming to music, OnePlus did a great job, and Crossbeat's torque also doing a great job, but I have faced some issues while listening in Crossbeat's torque, but not in OnePlus Buds. The issue is with some album makers, not everyone. I have faced it with some songs, like the song is not clear, but coming to OnePlus Buds, the song is very clear and it has a Dolby audio. You should note that, right? Because in Crossbeats there is no Dolby audio. So I guess it is the major difference, but still you can satisfy with the music, because you cannot get all the packs in one bunch, right? So I thought like, okay, let's go with Crossbeats after I lost my OnePlus Buds. So yeah, finally you can say that you can choose Crossbeats if noise cancellation is important. You can choose OnePlus Buds if you are using multiple connections. Yeah, that's it. To pair the earbuds to your mobile, just long press the button given in Crossbeat's torque, so that you will find a blue and red blinking, right? The LED is blinking. So now you can see the name in your mobile and you can pair it. And it is not a fast charging, but it is Type C. That's it. So you can choose if there is no other option at this price.